So with vaping, all you're doing is transferring the addiction. And a lot of people think because you're not burning anything in your lungs that you're not going to feel side effects. But we treat people every day that are hooked on vaping. And after a couple of years, they start feeling the negative side effects as well and getting chest pains. So, you know, you're just transferring the addiction. So why transfer the addiction? Why not just quit? One is the expense, plus you're still harming your body with the vaping. So if you're serious about quitting, why would you switch? I think you should just quit. And with the Omega Laser Smoking Cessation program, you just need the one treatment, costs $300. We offer the 2 backup treatments as support, very high success rate. And that's the way to go, in my opinion. You know, you don't need to switch. Why would you switch to a nicotine product if you're trying to get off nicotine? That's just my opinion. But the laser program is very effective. I'm sure you'll have great results.